Welcome to my channel. My name is Kat, and today we are doing this super easy, not quite sure, dead girl, zombie, creep. I'm okay, I promise you. This look is super easy to create. I only used eyeshadows to create this kind of bruising effect. This is just a liquid lipstick that you can get at your drugstore. I go through all the products as I use them in the tutorial, as you will see. And then I just used fake blood from the Halloween store. You can get fake blood at a dollar store, I'm pretty sure, just to do all the speckles in here. I think the lights are a bit bright so you can't really see as well. Now this is one of my go-to looks whenever I am doing somebody else's makeup at a party for Halloween. I always have that one person that shows up that doesn't want any makeup, and then they come to me and they're like, can you just do something really quick and easy that's not gonna be too hard to take off or smear everywhere? And this is exactly that look. It's not hard to do, I swear to you, mates. So let's get into the tutorial. Before we do, you should probably, like and subscribe, but who am I to tell you what to do? I only have one contact in right now because my one eye is just not having it. It's watering and it hurts and it looks weird right now, but that's okay. Dozer is chewing a bone behind you, I guess, so sorry for the sounds, but it's got to keep him occupied. So you do not need any kind of special makeup for this. I'm just using eyeshadow. There's a fly in here. So all I did off of camera is put on the whitest foundation that I have. You should use some kind of base for the eyeshadow to stick to. I don't think it would work really as well or blend very well if you don't have one. So I'm going to be starting out with the Life is a Drag palette by Lunar Beauty, Manny MUA's palette, and I am just going into the white here called Cake Face with a big fluffy brush. And I just went all in with that white, and I am just going to make my face a little bit paler. So I'm just going to put this on everywhere. Na, 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 na. Don't worry about too much on the eyes and underneath the eyes because we are going to be using different colors for that. You can use any kind of shadows. You obviously don't have to use the same ones as I do, but I am going to be using the gray called Tall Gray in the Alien palette by Jeffree Star. That one right there. Again, same brush. Tap that in, and we're just going to go and contour into our cheekbones and hollow them out a wee bit, mate. There we go. So I just did a line down, and then I'm just blending that all over because we do want to get that kind of grayish dead look. And we're going to go down underneath the chin here. And down underneath the chin again. Yep. So now you can see it kind of looks like I got that sucked in effect. Alright, and then we're going to go just along the outskirts of our face. If you are a bronzer wearer or a contour wearer, it would be the exact same spots that you would do to contour your skin. Just a wee bit over top of the brows here. And now, same brush, I'm just going to go right on top of the eyes, and I'm just doing kind of like big circular motions here. You don't have to cover the whole thing. I'm just going to put a little bit up into those ears. And I am going to tap back into that white. And I'm just going to blend a little bit onto my forehead here. Switching to a smaller fluffy brush. I'm still using the same gray. And I'm just going to put a little bit more all over the lid. Again, it's not a big deal. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just kind of blotchy, which is what we're looking for. And now I'm going to contour the sides of my nose with the same gray. And I'm going to go all the way sweeping up towards the top of that brow. And a little bit on the end of my little button nose. Okay, same gray. I am going to go right underneath the eye. Just windshield wiper motions here. And we are going to make it look like we haven't slept a bloody day in our life. I'm going to show you two different ways to do the lips. I did put some of my foundation on the lips before, so that's why they're already quite white. I'm just going to go right over top of it with that gray. I'm going to get just the lid pretty dark here. His toy box is over there and he's now searching for yet another toy, so why not? Now I'm going into the Me, Myself, and Mama Mitchell palette, this dark purple here. And then I'm going to go right underneath those eye bags again. Just darken them up. And then I'm going to go on the lid as well. Again, windshield wiper motions here. Make it nice and dark. And then a little bit, just a spot down here, just to make it look like a little bit of bruising. And then I'm going to put some purple right in the corner here. There we go. And a tiny bit on the other side, but I'm not going to do as much. And then I'm going to go just a tiny bit above this brow, and just kind of in a circular motion here, make it look like a bruise. Let's add a little bit more down here. I'm just going to feather that purple just a little bit on the other side here, make it blend. Let's go a little bit here. Circular. Yeah. This is in the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. These don't have names, but I'm going to take this mauve color at the side here. Just tap, same brush. I haven't even wiped off this brush or cleaned it off at all. I'm just going to go a little bit on the outskirts of this eye, and I'm going to go into this bruise here. And I want to go just on the one eye. You can do both if you want, but I'm just going to try to make them a little bit different. And I'll show you why in a second, mate. Alright, let's get some actual bruising going. So same Mitchell palette. I'm going to take the yellow called Manchester, and I'm going to go right in the corner of this eye here. I don't want this super bright, but you know how bruising usually has a little bit of yellow in it? That's what we're going for. And I'm going to put some up here. And a little bit here. Taking the Life's a Drag palette, I'm going to go into this kind of minty color called Kiki. Again, same brush, my friends, same brush. And I'm just going to tap that around here. I'm not going to mix up all the colors here. I just want that slight greeny bruised look. And as well as up here. And down here. You know what, I'm going to take it on to this eye, and this one I am going to kind of swish it around a bit. And I'm going to put a little bit on the lips. Just for that no circulation look. Let's put a little bit on this bruise here. I'm just going to put a little bit more of that purple on the corner here. And I want to just kind of deepen up this eye here, so I'm going to take the color Snatched. It's like almost like a dark red. And I'm going to put it right just on the corner of this eye. Yeah. And I'm going to put a little bit up in here. And a little bit on top of this eye. You can really just put this obviously wherever you want. You can absolutely leave it like this if you want, but we're going to take it a little bit further for those of you that want to just go basically full zombie, not just dead girl face. So let's go. Ooh, I'm looking rough, mate. Okay, so again, you can just leave this look as it is if you like, or we can go a little bit harder. This Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline called, I think it says, Escapist. It is a very dark plum color. And here we go. I'm just going to put it all over my lips, but just crazily. Like, I don't know. I'm crazy. Then I'm almost going to, well, I am going to take it just like a Joker smile up and just messy it up. Like, I'm just psych ward cray cray. And then I'm going to do like X's in it. Those are like stitching. That's pretty. Do you want to show them?
Yeah.
Justin's so cute. I look so weird right now.
Hey everybody.
It's me, fiance. What do you want me to do?
We switch spots?
Yeah.
Okay. Babe's just got the new Lunar Beauty Moon Spell palette, the Manny palette. Take a quick look
Look
at
at me in
that.
the background.
And I just swatched them all on my arm, mate.
Ooh, so pretty.
Some pretty good ones here. Really like these ones.
I really like you.
Anyways. Bye everybody.
I love you.
Love you too.
Other pie in there? Oh,
What happened?
I've done something. Shit. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Again, you could leave it at this, or we can go a wee bit harder. I'm just taking an old Tupperware container lid and some vampire blood. I don't think it really matters what kind of blood. Wait, unless it's real blood, we don't do that here. She's a creep. Yeah. And then I'm just taking an old toothbrush, putting the blood into the top of the container. I'm just going to tie my hair back because I really don't want to get this in my hair, mate. No. Toothbrush, dip it into the blood, and I'm just going to let's do more. Hopefully you can see that all. I've got a wee bit on my thumb, but that's okay. Now I'm not really sure exactly what you would call this look besides just super creepy. I don't know if you want to call it a crazy zombie dead girl vibe, but here she is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like this video with a thumbs up. Oh, hello. Just kidding. That was a bit weird, wasn't it? Please stay tuned on my channel for more Halloween looks this month. Please comment down below what kind of looks you'd like to see because I don't know what you guys like. I'll just continue to do whatever until then. Thank you guys again so much. I really appreciate it. I will check you on the next one. Bye. Oh, bother.